Hello guys, welcome back to this session. My name is DEBASISH MOHAPATRA and we are listening to Dev Talks. In this session, we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So let's start this session. So let's start with AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence is the field that studies the synthesis and analysis of computational agents that act intelligently. Let us examine each part of this definition. An agent is something that acts in an environment. It does something, and agent includes worms, dogs, airplanes, and robots, humans, companies, and countries. We are interested in what an agent does. That is how it acts. So we judge an agent by its actions. So artificial intelligence or AI is a science devoted to making machines that think and act like humans. This may sound simple, but no existing computer begins to match the complexities of human intelligence. Computers excel at applying rules and executing tasks, but sometimes a relatively straightforward action for a person might be extremely complex for a computer. So, for example, carrying a tray of drinks through a crowded bar and serving them to the correct customer is something servers do every day, isn't it? So, but it is a complex exercise in decision making and based on a high volume of data being transmitted between neurons in the human brain. So computers are not there yet, but machine learning and deep learning are steps towards a key element of this goal, analyzing like a large volume of data and making decisions, predictions based on it with as little human interventions as possible. So it's all about artificial intelligence. Next goes to ML, or ML stands for machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI or artificial intelligence, focusing on a specific goal, setting computers up to be able to perform tasks without the need for explicit programming. So computers are fed structured data in most cases and learn to become better and evaluating and acting on that data over time. Thinking of structured data as data inputs, you can put in columns and rows. So you might create a category column in Excel like called food and have row entries such as fruit or meat. Like this form of structured data is very easy for computers to work with, and the benefits are obvious. It's no coincidence that one of the most important data programming language is called structured query language, or SQL. So once programmed, a computer can take in new data, indefinitely sorting and acting on it without the need for the further human interventions. Over time, the computer may be able to recognize the fruit is a type of food, even if you stop labeling your data. Okay, so this safe reliance is so fundamental to machine learning that the field breaks down into subset based on how much ongoing human help is involved. Okay, so last thing is deep learning, or DL. So deep structural learning or hierarchical learning or deep learning in short is a part of the family of machine learning method, which are themselves like a subset of the a broader field of AI or artificial intelligence. So deep learning is a class of machine learning algorithms that use several layers of non-linear processing units for features extractions and transformations. Like each successive layer uses the output from the previous layer as input. So machine learning is about computers being able to perform tasks without being explicitly programmed, but the computers still think and act like machines. So their ability to perform some complex tasks, gathering data from an image or video, for example, still falls far short of what humans are capable of. Okay, so deep learning models introduce an extremely sophisticated approach to machine learning and are said to tackle these the challenges because they have been specifically models after the human brain. Complex multi-layer deep neural network are built to allow data to be passes between nodes like neurons in highly connected ways. So the result is a high or non-linear transformations of the data that is increasingly abstract. While it takes tremendous volumes of data to like feed and build such a system, it can begin to generate immediate results, and there is relatively little need for human interventions once the program is in place. So that's all about AI, machine learning, and deep learning. So I hope this session is very, very useful for you all. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for future updates. See you in the next session. Happy learning.